What if the Titanic had just rammed the iceberg head-on instead of trying to swerve? Here's the counterintuitive truth. A direct hit would have crumpled the first 30 feet of the bow like an accordion, but the ship almost certainly stays afloat. The real killer was the glancing blow. That sideswipe peeled open 5 compartments along the starboard hull, one after another, like popping a zipper. Head-on collision? Only the forward compartment floods. Maybe 2. The watertight bulkheads, designed to contain exactly that kind of damage, actually work. Passengers feel a violent jolt, some fall, but the ship keeps steaming. No sinking. No 1,000+ deaths. The Titanic becomes a famous engineering story about surviving the impossible, not a graveyard at the bottom of the Atlantic. The lesson is brutal. Sometimes the safest move is the one that hurts the most in the moment, because the slow, graceful dodge is what kills you.